Welcome to week 3. We have now concluded 2 whole weeks of classes, and an 8-week course is the equivalent of 1/4 of the course or 1 month of the class in a regular semester. Here are some items for you to be aware of for this week. Please take a look at the schedule that comes directly from the syllabus. So please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here is where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 more weeks of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, or exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Blackboard. Here's a summary of what's coming up due this week. The Cultural Geography News discussion number 2 is due Friday, July 6 by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography Special Topic number 2 is due Saturday, July 7 by 11:59. These 2 discussions will be available by tomorrow morning. Last time we had this discussion, most students in the class submitted Geography number 1, but many did not submit the Special Geography Topics number 1 on the Neomorphicians. Only about 2/3 of you submitted your comments. You have to remember that these are 2 different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit this assignment, but the further away you are from the due days, the more points will be deducted. Also remember to incorporate material from your textbook and lectures and lecture notes and reference it explicitly. It does not have to be a formal citation, but you need to mention that you're using these sources. Please remember to review the lectures posted on the modules, read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor would speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Reflection number 1 was due Saturday, June 30th by 11:59. This is an activity where you compile the information you have read in all of the content areas and reflect that you have learned by writing paragraphs answering the questions about the topics asked to reflect upon. Please read the directions carefully to make sure you're on the maximum number of points available. Exam number 1 for chapter 1 through 4 is due tonight, Sunday, July 1st by 11:59. It is worth 100 points. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. A few students will likely be dropped in the next few days due to not having logged in at least once. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. If you were recently added to the class, you need to log in Blackboard and catch up with 2 weeks worth of activity. Failure to log in will warrant that I drop you from the course, and it means you have not shown up to class. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.